In this video, let me show you how to find remote jobs on Glassdoor. Whether trying to switch from a full-time job or just trying to switch or add on a remote job, in today's video, let me show you how you can find one right inside of Glassdoor. What you need to do is head over to the job section inside of this platform. In order to find remote jobs, what you need to do is first of all add in your job title. For example, if you are a software engineer, you can type in the title, and then also in the search bar, you can add in the keyword remote. Once you've done that, also in the location, you do still have the option of adding in the remote option so that only remote jobs are now visible. As you can see, once you've done that, all of the jobs now start to appear which say they are remote. You can check all of these options and you can see the exact mention of this remote job. If you scroll down further, you might come across some jobs that might not be remote as it is clearly displayed. The remote is missing in this job application, but in the other options, you can see the remote option is still visible. You can all do the same process for other job titles as well, and the same type of results will show up where the remote option is available. You do still have the option of adding in some filters, which may be easy apply only, company ratings, date posted, and your salary range. You also can add in a job alert if you want to get notified if a new job appears on the remote side. So this is the exact way that you find remote jobs inside of Glassdoor. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.